Hi, this is the Motorola Moto E22i and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open the control panel and you'll see here all of the available options and all of the visible options too. Remove some of them from here if you want to remove them, or if you want to add here new options, or just to change the positions of the icons here on the panel. You should click here to this edit icon and you'll see here this down section with invisible options. To add some of them to your panel, you should just hold the icon and drag it to the subsection. By the same way, you could remove the icons from here just by hold and drag them to the down. To remove that, just to change the positions of icons on the panel, you should just hold it and drag it by this way. And to reset the changes, we should click to these three dots and tap to reset, or if you want to save the changes, just tap to go back, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.